Yep, I finally got it. This is the PlayStation 5 Slim and it's in for repair. I was supposed to have this a lot sooner, but hey, we got it. And yeah, that's because the HDMI port is broken. Let's take this thing apart. All of these shells clip. I got all of the shells removed here. Now we gotta remove this CD-ROM. This thing is a clip-on. It's very scary. It feels like this thing would break, but it doesn't. This drive looks a little bit hardier, to be honest with you, than the other one. Nothing different about this fan. And I figured out the coding here. 2 dots is the long. 1 dot is the smaller threaded. This one right here. And if you don't have a dot, it's the regular PlayStation 5. Okay, almost down to the small motherboard. Alright, there's a special long white screw here. Alright, we're down to the motherboard here. Oh wow, they decided to use Torx here. Alright, I got this tiny motherboard out here, and I'm noticing a few things that I'm not liking. One, the liquid metal is terrible spread on here. This is a very annoying problem. And this HDMI port is not the strong type. It got pushed all the way in. Cheap port right here, and bad liquid metal. This has the 69GG South Bridge. It has the Nuvoton, no longer Panasonic, 4739. Oh, is this gonna be a problem? Is this just another rebranding of the Panasonic chip? We don't know. But highly likely, yes. It looks the same. All the pinouts look the same for everything. The same crappy SSD control. And yeah, everything else pretty much is the same. And this is why I'm saying these ports are crappy. You see, the only thing that's holding it down is this one pin right. But if you check the replacement ports that we use, the whole lip on the top is connecting this so that it doesn't get pushed out. Well, let's remove this HDMI port and put a new. I apologize, this is not the same SSD controller. It's definitely smaller and different. The SSD chips are definitely changed as well. Nice, the port has been removed. Wow, microscopically I've never seen this before. The leg of the actual port is still stuck to the board. Usually the leg breaks off and takes the pad out with it, rips it, but this one the leg is actually stuck to the board. So the ports are actually maybe designed to break so that they don't mess up the pads. That's actually a good design feature. I just cleaned up here, ready for the new. Alright, we got that new port on, nice. Now we gotta fix that liquid metal problem. One of the most frustrating problems with these systems is that liquid metal. They need to stop using liquid metal on any piece of technology moving forward. This is disgusting. Alright, I finally put it back together. Let's go. Let's power it on. It still powers on. That's a good sign. The tester said it's okay. And do we have it on the screen here? We got it. Nice.